Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, have a USB-C cable and a 5V adapter ready, because voltage and current matter for safe, efficient charging. Power the Hesh Evo off so charging is faster and cooler. Running Bluetooth drains and warms the battery. Once done, flip the ear cup to find the USB-C port and push the cable in until it seats. You should feel a gentle click. This ensures a solid connection and prevents intermittent charging that shortens battery life. Once plugged in, keep an eye on the LED because it communicates status. Red while charging, then green or off when topped. Charging with a wall adapter usually provides 12A for a quicker full charge. Expect roughly 2 hours from empty. Brief 15-30-minute top-ups give useful playtime. Make sure the cable and adapter sit flat. Wobble or poor contact can slow or stop charging. If you need to use the headset, do it only after it reaches a safe minimum level. When the LED shows full, unplug the cable straight out to avoid stressing the port. This preserves the connector. Power the Hesh Evo on and check the battery via the LED or the headset's voice prompt so you know you have charge for your session. If charging fails, first swap the USB-C cable and adapter because those fail more often than the headset. If still dead, inspect and gently clean the port. Then reset the headset by holding power for 10 seconds before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.